Search engine marketing, or SEM, is a powerful tool for increasing visibility through paid advertising. It drives targeted traffic to websites by appearing on search engines like Google and Bing. SEM helps businesses reach customers who are actively searching for their specific products or services. By bidding on keywords and locations, advertisers ensure their ads appear at the perfect moment. The most common form is pay-per-click, where you pay only when someone clicks your ad. This model allows for precise budget control, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. Success begins with keyword research to identify exactly what your potential audience is looking for. Crafting compelling ad copy and landing pages that match user intent is essential for conversion. Search engines reward relevant ads with higher quality scores, which lowers costs and improves placement. Beyond search, SEM includes display and shopping ads to create a full funnel marketing approach. The beauty of SEM lies in real-time data, allowing you to track ROI and optimize. Combine SEM with SEO for a balanced strategy that delivers both immediate and sustainable growth.